let's get started. So this is my first bear. This is Larry that I showed you to my first video. The tour in my room. So this is Larry. So sorry for that noise. And this is Tiger. I love Tiger so much. And again, this Hello Kitty. I showed her to my first video, right? And Ulakama. I showed her or him to my first video, right? Okay. She holds a strawberry too. And this, I called her Precious because I love her hat. She has a button and her hand. And dog. This is our dog, Sky. I show her to my first video, right? I show this to my first video, right? This is Lucky. And the last one is SpongeBob. So thank you guys for watching and hope you like it. And my bears are what's that one? So it was only some of my bears because all of my bears was downstairs. So I will just make a new video that I will have my old bears. So thank you guys, so hope you like it and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.